Nityanandam. My name is Dioki. I'm from the US. I was born and raised in Guyana, South America. This whole concept of Swamiji is new to the Guyanese community. Many people are still yet waiting for someone like him within our community. So I met Swamiji in 2007 in Seattle, and that's where the click started for me. I started to expand his teaching to my friends within our community, our own Guyanese community, and they are liking it. One thing that resonated with me in 2009 when Swamiji came to New York is that for us to start a temple or to be aware of how to run a temple, we must take inner awakening. So I have waited for this time for me to take inner awakening, to take the next approach of my life where I can expand Swamiji's teaching to my friends, to my family, to the people within the community that I was born and grown in. In New York, there are many Desi Indians that know about what's happening in India and beyond that, but within the Guyanese community, South Americans, they don't know. And this is an opportunity for me to share Swamiji's teaching, to expand what I've learned, explain to them what is the Kundalini awakening, because at first that was one of my resistance. I'm like, what is this? When my friends are going to see me jumping, what are they going to think about me? So I've always resisted until I came here. Like 4 days ago, I experienced Kundalini awakening in the back of my spine. I'm like, wow, it is this simple. It is so unique. It's so calm and peaceful. I started to cry. You know, even today, I started to cry and I'm like, oh my God, I never believed that I can feel like this. So this is an experience of a lifetime that I'm going to take back with me wherever I go. 21 days in my life here in India. I had no thoughts of what is happening before, and that was the click that I had with Swamiji, that he had said to me, or he had said that do not connect the past events with the present. So while I'm here within the 21 days, everything that I have left back there is just remaining back there. This 21 days was just within the space of Swamiji and myself, and I felt I've grown. I've grown internally. It's beyond words. Nityanandam.